So you may be wondering, how long do the solar pool heater panels last? They last anywhere between 6 years to 15 years, depending on the brand and the quality and the environment that they're in. After that, sometimes what happens is the panels get brittle from being out in the sun day after day, year after year, and they got to be replaced. So 6 to 15 years. You've got a high quality system, 15 years. So there is a difference between the cheapy solar panels and the really well-made ones. And also there's some differences in installation. Don't always chase after price, go after quality. So Solar at Green Greg here. So on this channel, we cover solar pool heating. We also do a little bit of solar hot water, solar PV, also known as home solar or solar electric, and we do energy efficiency. And on this channel, I just try to give homeowners information about solar without the sales talk, and also a little bit of light troubleshooting, you know, things that homeowner can do themselves without having to do a service call or just answer some basic questions. That's what my channel's about. So if that's what you're looking for is information, hey, hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so I can bring you more of this great content. Thank you so much, and you have a great sunny day. Bye-bye.